Hi there and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable notifications in the SofaScore app on your Android phone. If you're getting too many alerts about matches, scores, or updates, this guide will help you turn them off completely in just a few simple steps. Let's begin. First, open the SofaScore app on your Android device. Make sure you are in the Profile section by tapping the profile icon at the bottom. At the top right corner, tap the Settings icon to access app settings. From the menu, select Notifications. In the Notifications section, find the switch labeled Allow Notifications. Turn off Allow Notifications by tapping the toggle. This will disable all notifications from SofaScore. And that's it. You've successfully disabled notifications in the SofaScore app. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more Android tips and guides. Thanks for watching,